to presentation about Federal Reserve System. Vocabulary. Agency is perwakilan, frequent is sering, government is pemerintahan, overseeing is mengatur, district is daerah, required is memerlukan, regarding is mengenai, appointed is menerapkan, monetary is moneter, recession is pengunduran, currency is mata uang, abroad is luar negeri, actually is sebenarnya, composed is menyusun, establish is mendirikan. Main idea paragraph 1 is the function of the Federal Reserve System. Main idea paragraph 2 is the main function Federal Reserve System. Main idea paragraph 3 is control the money and the activities of member bank. Main idea paragraph 4 is reserve is actual a fourth branch of the United States government because it is composed of national policymakers. The function of the Federal Reserve System. The Federal Reserve System is an independent agency of the United States government. Is charged with overseeing the national banking system. Since 1930, the Federal Reserve System, commonly called the Fed, has served as the central bank for the United States. The system consists of 12 district reserve banks and their branch office, along with several communities and councils. All national commercial banks are required by law to be members of the Fed, and all deposit-taking institutions like credit unions are subject to regulation by Fed regarding the amount of deposit funds that must be held is reserve and that by definition, therefore, are not available for loans. The most powerful body is seven-member Board of Governors in Washington, appointed by the President and by the Senate. The main function Federal Reserve System. The system primarily function is to control monetary policy by influencing the cost and availability of money and credit through the purchase and sale of government securities. If the Federal Reserve provide too little money, interest rates get to be high, borrowing is expensive, business activity slow down, unemployment goes up, and danger of recession is augmented. If there is too much money, interest rate decline, and borrowing could lead to excess demand, pushing up prices and fueling inflation. Control the money and the activities of member banks. The Fed has several responsibilities in addition to controlling the money supply. In collaboration with the U.S. Department of the Treasury, the Fed puts new coin and paper currency into circulation by using items to bank. It also supervises the activities of member banks abroad and regulates certain aspects of international finance. Reserve is actually a fourth branch of the United States government because it is composed of national policymakers. It has been said that the Federal Reserve is actually a fourth branch of the United States government because it is composed of national policymakers. However, in practice, the Federal Reserve does not stray from the financial policies established by the executive branch of the government. Although it is true that the Fed does not depend on Congress for budget allocation and therefore is free from the partisan policies that influence most of the other governmental bodies. It is still responsible for frequent report to the Congress on the conduct of monetary policy. Conclusion: the Federal Reserve System, as an independent agency of the United States government, is charged with overseeing the national banking system. Federal Reserve is actually a fourth branch of the United States government because it is composed of national policymakers. Thank you for watching my presentation.